Hello aspirants, today we are going to discuss about flashpoint number 3 of July month. In this flashpoint number 3, Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, acknowledged, recalled the heroic efforts during the pandemic and paid homage to those who laid down their lives in doctors as well as the healthcare workers and frontline workers for saving many lives and greeted them a doctor's day. Prime Minister also underlined the focus of the government on strengthening the health. During this 1.5 year pandemic, total 15,000 crores were allocated for healthcare in 2020. And now the healthcare budget, which has been doubled to more than 2 lakh crore rupees in 2021. In the same way, the new aims medical colleges are being established and work has been initiated on total 15 aims as opposed to total 6 aims in 2014. And the UG undergraduate medical seats have increased to 1.5 times. Post-graduation medical seats have also grown up by 80%. Through credit guarantee scheme, Government of India allocated 50,000 crore rupees to develop the health infrastructure in the underserved areas. So here, what is credit guarantee scheme? Government of India through RBI will notify banks to provide loans to the health sector MSMEs. And if these health sector MSMEs not returned the loan amount, then the government of India will take charge over it and government of India will return the loan amount to the banks. So here question raises, how government of India will pay these loans? Through NCGTC. What is this NCGTC? National Credit Guarantee Trustee Company, which is a private limited company incorporated under the Companies Act 1956. Right? So this comes under Department of Financial Services, completely organized by Ministry of Finance as a wholly owned company of the Government of India. And this NCGTC, through this NCGTC, Government of India under the credit guarantee scheme will provide 100% guarantee coverage to the banks. Narendra Modi also mentioned about work for propagating yoga to the doctors. So what it means? Prime Minister of India called upon the doctors to continue to inspire the people to get vaccinated and adopt COVID appropriate behavior. He also commended medical fraternity for spreading awareness about yoga. And in the same way, he praised the doctors for giving their time for the evidence-based studies on the benefits of yoga for dealing the post-COVID complications. And also, Prime Minister of India asked Indian Medical Association called as IMA, which organized this happy National Doctors Day. The Prime Minister asked IMA to take up an evidence-based study on yoga, and these evidence-based studies should be published in international journals. And this all leads to the relation between Narendra Modi and Ramdev Baba and their business. You are aware, मोदी भाई इस साल पूरा 5,000 करोड़ का बिजनेस किया पतंजलि ने. So everything is going towards Modi Baba axis. Next, coming to the static GK part, this Doctors Day is celebrated every year on July 1st. And what is the main purpose of it? To recognize the contributions of these doctors to individual lives and communities. This Doctor Day was organized by IMA. Please do remember, guys, Indian Medical Association, which was established in 1928 as the All India Medical Association and renamed as IMA in 1930. And please do remember, guys, the current president of IMA is Dr. J.A. Jailal. Please to remember what is his name? Dr. J.A. Jailal. This National Doctors Day is celebrated in the memory of Dr. B.C. Roy. The doctor behind the Doctors Day is Bidhan Chandra Roy, who born on 1st July 1888 and completed his MRCP and FRCS courses in London and got returned to India after rejection of admission in medical college for 30 times for being an Asian. And then he entered into politics in 1925, attended to Gandhiji during Quit India movement, and he refused to take English medicine, which that was not made in India. It means English medicine. And he conferred with a doctorate of science in 1944. And after the independence, he became the second chief minister of West Bengal, and he was honored with Bharat Ratna in 1961. And please do remember, born date and the death date is the same one, July 1st. After the death of this great person, Bidhan Chandra Roy Award was instituted in 1962, which is the highest honor that can be achieved by any doctor in India. And it was presented by President of India in New Delhi on every year on which date, guys? July 1st. It is all about National Doctors Day. Thank you.